This home is brought to you by Webb of Team Webb at Century 21 Goodyear Green. Welcome to this gem in Oak Brook, close to shopping, restaurants and so much more. Floor plan includes large living area with 2 large built-ins and storage plus a wood-burning fireplace. Living area is open to dining and kitchen and is the hub of the house. The kitchen has tons of cabinet and counter space west/newer appliances and a large pantry. Dining area has a large bay window with seating and storage too. All living areas have tile flooring for easy cleanup. Utility room is off the kitchen with garage access. Master bedroom is large west/walk-in closet and private bath. Secondary bedrooms are good size and share updated hall bath. One of the secondary bedrooms has 2 closets too. There is a ton of storage throughout this home. The backyard has a covered porch, is fenced and has lots of privacy.